Hey guys, you got Martin Barkey here in the garage. I got the Ford Raptor Ranger here behind me, and I've got another new lighting product from MBRP that I want to tell you all about. So ditch lights, you know what? I see them everywhere I go. I see ditch lights, and they must be the hottest new item for off-roading and pickup truck mods, it seems. And MBRP has jumped in the game with additional lighting products now, and basically ditch lights for your Ford Ranger Raptor. And what this is, I've gone ahead and I've taken our 2.75-inch black, all black edition pods, and I've bolted it already on the laser cut bracketry, powder coated, ready to go. This is the bracket for this particular vehicle. I've already zip tied the light wiring in, and obviously plugs ready to go. So I've got a left and right. I've already pre-wired, just for the timing on this video, I've pre-wired the looms that come in the box ready to go. Ford has the upfitter switches. They've given us leads here already off the fuse box, and I've got the loom going all the way around. One there with a plug and over to the far side. Now rest assured, everything in the box, everything you need from zip ties to shrink wrap to everything, heat shrink, sorry, is ready to go. And you can see, if I snake this underneath here, it's just going to go right underneath the hood like that. My hood hinges, and I've got a ditch light mounted on top of the hood. Now, heavy gauge bracketry, powder coating, it's going to withstand, it doesn't vibrate. I've driven this truck, this is my own personal truck. It lights up the night wonderfully, and of course we've got a plug and play. So you guys give me about 5 minutes off camera, I'll have these mounted under the hood, and I'll come back and we'll show you what they're all about. All right, there you have it, guys. I've got the MBRP ditch lights installed and turned on. I do have floodlights in there right now. MBRP does offer ambers in both spot and flood, and of course we have spots in the clear as well. So you've already seen the loom, the inclusion of the loom. You've seen the bracket, how it bolts under the hood type of deal. Now you can see what they look like up on top of the hood. Now quickly, we do have adjustability both left and right from the center pivot, and we also have adjustability both up and down, and that would be from the U-bolt bracket that's underneath the light. You've already noticed that this is our full black series. Everything is black, all the hardware, everything is powder coated for a great new look. Now the part number is SL5270-02, SL5270-02. All right, with these ditch lights all buttoned up, I think we should take the vehicle outside and let you guys see what they look like all lit up at night.